15 Smart Gadgets 2023. 1. Smartwatch, a versatile wearable device that tracks fitness, receives notifications, and allows for quick access to apps on your wrist. 2. Wireless earbuds, compact and cordless earbuds that offer high-quality audio, noise cancellation, and seamless connectivity to your devices. 3. Portable Bluetooth speaker, a compact speaker that connects wirelessly to your devices, providing a rich audio experience on the go. 4. Drone with camera, a quadcopter equipped with a high-resolution camera for aerial photography and videography. 5. Virtual reality headset, an immersive device that transports you to virtual worlds, enhancing gaming, entertainment, and educational experiences. 6. Smart home security camera, a camera system with built-in AI that provides real-time monitoring and alerts for enhanced home security. 7. Portable power bank, a compact and high-capacity battery pack to charge your devices while on the move. 8. Smart water bottle, a water bottle with integrated sensors to track your hydration levels and remind you to drink water regularly. 9. Electric scooter, a foldable and electrically powered scooter for short urban commutes and eco-friendly transportation. 10. Wireless charging pad, a sleek charging pad that wirelessly charges compatible smartphones and other devices. 11. Portable projector, a compact projector that allows you to display movies, presentations, and content on any flat surface. 12. Smart Wi-Fi router, an advanced router with strong signal coverage and features for managing and optimizing your home network. 13. 3D printer, a device that brings your digital designs to life by creating physical objects layer by layer. 14. Smart LED light bulbs, energy-efficient LED bulbs that can be controlled and dimmed remotely through a smartphone app or voice command. 15. AI-powered personal assistant, a smart speaker equipped with artificial intelligence to provide information, play music, control smart home devices, and answer questions. These gadgets represent just a glimpse of the diverse and innovative technology available in the market, aimed at making our lives more convenient, entertaining, and efficient.